The way I would teach look in the classroom is we would maybe do a class body scan and start with look. So we'll have stopped and then I'll encourage the students to look, but I'll start describing what is going on with my own body first so they can understand what I'm doing. So I'm going to stop and I'm going to look from head. I'm going to look at my eyes. What's going on with my eyes? Maybe they're blinking more than usual. My nose, am I breathing differently through my nose, my mouth? What is going on with my mouth? Are my teeth clenched? My throat? My shoulders, are they up? Are they down? How's my stomach feeling? Maybe I have butterflies in my stomach because it's the beginning of the day and I'm very excited to see my students. Are my toes clenched? Are my fists clenched? Or am I sweaty? Maybe I'm sweaty again, just beginning of the day, getting excited to have my students arrive so we can get to work and do fun things. So these are all things that I would go through my own body and share with them what's going on with my own body. Maybe I'm sweating under my arms. And then I would have them, again, start scanning their own body, and maybe they share with the class, maybe they share with a friend in the class, maybe they do some journal writing or some drawing and describe what's going on in their body. So this is, again, a great opportunity that you can have them look at their bodies throughout the day. Is it different before a certain class? Different after a class? Is it different after lunch, before lunch? Is it different whenever they go home? And this is, again, encourage them to maybe go home and share with their family before they go to bed what's going on in their body and start scanning and just being able to describe what they are noticing in their body and their response to different situations throughout the day. So a very powerful superpower. After they're kind of get used to kind of, again, looking at all their body parts, that, maybe their head is going back and forth, or they're tapping on their desks, or they're, who knows, fidgeting, or all these stuff. They start to recognize this stuff. Then, depending on when you feel it's time, have them just, again, we've already stopped and we're doing our body scan and maybe describing it. But then I want them to just take a minute and have them focus on all the body parts that they have described that are responding to a situation. Let them calm down. Just watch each of the parts and see if, again, are the shoulders going back down? Is your stomach now calm? Are you not sweating so much? Are the tears gone away? And just feel the student and the whole classroom just calm down. And again, taking a couple of minutes to do this throughout the day will help have a calm and productive learning environment. Please take your time with this superpower. Over a period of time, your students will learn how to become more in tune with their body with the look superpower.